Please visit tradingsim.com to simulate this trading lesson. Hey everybody, this is Al Hill from tradingsim.com. So today we're going to talk about another basic trading concept, right? It's called whole numbers. So when you're day trading, stocks will often hit whole numbers. So as you can see with ticker MDRX, we're coming up to the wonderful nice round number of 17. If you look in the tape, you can kind of see, a lot of red coming in here, some neutrals, kind of doing them, at the price, right in between rather. And there's not really much going on. Tape's not moving that quickly, so it's not a lot of panic per se. So what happens here is a lot of times traders will look to exit shorts or take long positions at the hold number. So as you can see, the stock's down approximately 7.5 or so percent first thing in the morning. So let's just take a short position here. Let's just do 10,000 shares short. Okay, now average price 1701 with commissions. Now you notice the stock just kind of sits here, it kind of hovers. So what you want to see, right, a good sign that a stock will slice through a whole number is that when it approaches that whole number, it doesn't sit around for, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. It just slices through it. And look at how we kind of broke through 17 here. We're not really accelerating to the downside. It's kind of stalling 1695, 1696. History has shown, right, and practice has shown that when you kind of see a stock stall like that at a whole number, odds are it's going to reverse and go in the opposite direction. You can find yourself in a tight spot. So let's fast forward a little bit. So in this example, again, this is from June the 9th. You can see the stock kind of had some violent action here. Then it just kind of hangs out at the whole number, right? So we just kind of hang out at 17, not really doing much of anything. So again, as a trader, right, before this green candle kind of did a little snapback here, you already have a couple of signs that, hey, this stock's not really that weak, right? It's not all that weak. So, it's not just going to slice through that 17 whole number. So let's fast forward here a little bit. Alright, now what's coming up here is a clean break. Now you can kind of see, you kind of reverse, you kind of get this gravestone doji going here. Then the stock kind of starts to roll, right? And then you get another red candle, so clearly it's saying, well, we can't bust through the bottom of 17, right? So then they try to come out the top, and then they roll right back over. Now, general rule of thumb for stocks less than 20 bucks or so is that when you get a really clean break of a whole number, you're going to go about 50 cents to a dollar in that direction. So in this example, at a $17 stock, we're going to want to look to exit around 16.50, give or take 5 cents. And then if it clearly breaks 16.50 with these, then you're looking to go straight to 16. Let's fast forward this a bit. All right. Now see, this is the kind of break you want to see, right? You want to see a clean break. You're going to want to see some sizable volume coming in here. So you definitely got some acceleration on this. Granted, it's still relatively light because this isn't the morning gap anymore, but it definitely picked up relative to some of the previous candles. And so again, you just want to see follow through, right? All you're looking for is just confirmation that the short is in fact, going to work out. So here you can see again, you get another red candle, pretty pathetic green candle, right? Another red, and then now you're getting some momentum here, right? Taking you straight to the downside. Now, as you can see, from the break at 10:10 a.m. down to 16:50, right? You're talking approximately 30 to 35 minutes, right? So not a lot of time at all. And you look up here, up 2.76%, $4,700, just like that. So in 30 minutes, made close to $5 grand. So in this case, Now the money's been made, you're naturally going to want to close a position. So if you have 10,000 short, you're going to do 10,000 buy the cover. That easy. You're out. So again, when you're day trading, look for these gaps or high volume events that occur near a whole number. At that point, look for the tape, right, which shows your time in sales. Look for the activity to pick up around that whole number and use that as confirmation that, in fact, the number will either hold, to the upside if you're looking for a breakout, or it will actually cut through it to the downside, as in this example, where you're looking to put on a short, right? So again, in the morning, kind of chopped around, so that was a signal that, hey, maybe this thing isn't a real deal. But here around 10 a.m., we got the clean break we were looking for with some solid follow through down to 1650. All right, good luck trading.